This video is about drilling concentric holes with the lathe. For this, you'll use the tailstock. You are going to need to bring the tailstock close to your part, so make sure the tool post is out of the way and be careful not to smash the tailstock into your part. Once you have brought it close, lock it with the lever. Before you drill the hole, you will use the center drill. It really helps to guide the drill bit. You just need to go up halfway up the angle with the center drill. Don't push it all the way through. Then use the drill bit, and last, the countersink. Before you drill, you're going to tighten your tool in the drill chuck by first rotating the chuck and then using the key. Make sure to check that the tool is concentric inside the chuck. Then you will lock the tailstock as mentioned before, and finally set your 0 on the dial using the wheel. Each rotation of the wheel is 0.1 inch. So, for example, if you would like to do a depth of 1/2 inch, you would do 5 rotations on the wheel.